Welcome to another little episode of Sunday Trade Breakdown. As you can see, we're currently looking at Eurocard. So, reason why I didn't upload episode 2 is because I was having problems with uploading it. It kept on ending on like 99%. So, and then when I had to restart it, it was like it's still ending on 99%. So, this should have been episode 3, but episode 2, well and good. But so yeah, we're looking at Eurocard. Eurocard is currently the trade we're in. The trade that we posted in the WhatsApp group, but like you can see we're in drawdown. TP stop loss was almost hit just by weeks as you can see. But luckily my good friends the sellers came in. But like we might have to close this trade depending on how the markets react to it tomorrow on Monday opening, because it's already broken above this previous area of interest and it's okay. I can't really say for sure. To me, breaking an area of interest is like an indication of change of market structure, but like I have a rule that says if stop loss is hit, that's when you exit the trade. And like drawdown is better than hitting stop loss. So like the drawdown for now is bearable. We haven't hit stop loss, and like let's just see how the trade plays out. Yeah, it's crazy as if we're not like I think I can roughly say 60% in the trade, and then it just had the complete reversal. But like hey, what can we do? So Eurocard is a trade that was still in. We're only going to come out if take profit is hit or stop loss is hit. So yeah, this is on the daily time frame as you can see, and let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see how it looks like. 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame doesn't look too good as well, but like we might I really wish these candlesticks could have closed below the area of interest, because I would have been like, maybe we're just retesting this previous double bottom which is here. But like it closing above this area of interest is kind of like a red flag, or it is a red flag. But if stop loss is not hit, we are still in the trade. And this rejection wicks, or this rejection looking on the candlestick, is kind of like a little motivational booster to say that maybe the sellers are pushing the trade down. But hey, let's see what next week holds. So back to the daily time frame, and we look to the next currency pair. So next currency pair, GBP CAD. You can see we were looking for the retest already at the break of structure. As you can see, there was a lot of consolidation in the past year. So price finally broke below that area of interest. Why is it so dark now? So yeah, price broke below that area of interest, and now we're looking for entry positions to the downside. But price kept on going back up, broke above the area of interest again, and maybe it was looking to have a change of structure going back to the upside. But like I feel price has had its bull run, and it's time to look for sales. So what I'll be waiting for on Monday is basically just for price to hit my alarm here to indicate that it's having a change of structure back to the downside. And yeah, there's nothing that we can do apart from wait on GBP CAD to give us the confirmation to enter. As for now, next currency pair. So GBP USD. USD were looking for entry positions to the downside. As you can see, it had the break of structure. Well, it's been having the break of structure. Should we adjust this? I think we can adjust this. Can we adjust this? Let's change that and put that there. Can we put that there? Just put that there, just put that there. Because you can see, try to break below. No, so like finally broke below. So what we'll be looking for is price to go for a deeper pullback into the area of interest before we look for our sell position. So a little adjustment on the trade and then we can aim for lows of here, and we can maintain the 2 to 1. Let's get rid of this. Let's use this instead. But like our stop loss is not really giving. It's not really giving. Okay, if there's a way I can adjust my stop loss, I would, but for now that's how it's supposed to be. Next currency pair being USD CAD. So USD CAD, we were looking for a break of structure that we had, and now we're looking for entry positions to the upside. Price is still going up. Let's check on the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, the 4-hour time frame, price never came back to retest this area of interest where it broke above. So we will be waiting. We will be waiting for price to break. It had the break. We will be waiting for price to retest before going to the upside as a little confirmation that hey, we respect this area of interest and we are now looking for more buyers to like push the volume to the upside. Next is Euro GBP. Euro GBP, we're looking for trades to the upside because price hit or broke above this area of interest. So we're looking for a push to the downside, but like we got more than a push to the downside. We got a whole movement to the downside. So for like the past 5 days, Euro GBP has just been going down. So we are going to wait for price to come back up before taking our initial trade to the upside. And yeah, there's nothing that we can do apart from these currency pairs for next week. Then wait, because none of them had some of them had the break but never had the retracements. Some of them had the break but the retracements were literally not retracements, though, literally breaking the area of interest. So if we all entered on like, what do you call this, the break of structure, and not really waiting for the retracements, we would have been having a lot of rejection. Can I say rejection? Would have had a lot of fake outs, in short. So this is Euro USD. Lots of bad memories on Euro USD. That's why we got our first loss of the month on Euro USD. So Euro USD, what we're saying is we're going to be waiting for a deeper retracement than this. This really isn't that valid enough of a retracement. So back to the daily time frame. So you can clearly see we've had the break but no retracement on Euro USD. So we're going to be waiting for the retracement on Euro USD before we take the trade. So you can place your alarm just like above there. So we want a deeper retracement into the area of interest before price can continue going back to the downside. And next currency pair. Euro NZD, nothing has happened. We were waiting for a break of structure and a retest. We never got that. But like we will continue watching this trade. Is it having a change of structure? No. Or it might be, but like I don't think it's going to continue pushing to the downside because it hit its low and it's having a change of structure to the upside. So we'll be waiting for the break and retest on Euro NZD before we look for any trades. As for now, next currency pair. So USD CHF, we're looking for a break and retest again, but price hasn't broken above the area of interest, so we have to wait for two things, which is the break and the retest of the area of interest on this chart of USD CHF. So nothing has really happened here. So we can just move on to the next time frame, next chart, which is NZD USD. So NZD USD looking interesting. As you can see, it's at the break. It's been having some consolidation that I don't like there, but let's see on the 4-hour time frame if it's going to make much more sense. So NZD USD looks like it had a break and retest of the area of interest here, but it's been having some consolidation. Properly, if you want to enter this trade, is based off the break of this past double bottoms, but like USD has had a lot of fake outs, a lot of fake break and retest opportunities, but I just don't like the consolidation that's there. I just don't like the consolidation. But I think this trade may back. So yeah, I guess if you want to enter this trade, you would be wanting to look off the break of this structure. That's when I think you can enter this trade. As for now, it had the break, it's had the retest, but I'm just not too sure. With the volume going to the upside, it looks like it's completely done, but I guess we'll just have to wait for next week to see what happens. So next on the chart is Euro CHF. Euro CHF looks like it's had the break, retest, and now we are supposed to look for trades to the upside. So if we're in this trade, it would have been in drawdown, but luckily we are not, because we're facing our own little shade of drawdown on what trade are we even in? I don't even know what trade we're in, I've forgotten. But yeah, price going up, having that change of structure means it's going to the upside, going down the bayou. So yeah, I think price reached its all-time lowest low, and now we are supposed to wait for it to properly retest, have that change in EMA so that it can be below the candlesticks, not above, so that we can look for our buy positions. Euro CHF is looking tempting and is looking clean, but looks like a lot of work, because you can see all these candlesticks are like consistent. I think almost all of this break and retest consists of like a month's work, and no one wants to be in a trade for like more than a month. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on Euro CHF. It does look interesting, but looks like it's taking its time. And yeah, I guess that's it. Do we have anything on GBP NZD? Looks like GBP NZD hit stop loss, but I wouldn't have taken this trade because, or maybe we would have, yeah, because it's at the break and it looks like it was having the retest before it just had a complete change in market structure. Sadly. So GBP NZD was a no-go area. Luckily we didn't go GBP CHF, and yeah, I don't think I have, let's check NZD card. I don't think I have anything else that's down below here. Yeah, nothing on NZD card. So yeah, that was our little Sunday trade breakdowns. If you liked it, feel free to just press the like button. It's free of charge. Subscribe if you want to see more of this, and yeah, comment anything, I guess. These are the contact details we have. Feel free to DM us, WhatsApp us, text us on Instagram, text us on TikTok. TikTok shadow banned me, so like middle finger up to TikTok. And yeah, Instagram, you can email me on the little icons below. And yeah, I guess that's enough of me for now. That was Sunday trade breakdown. As for now, see you next week. Bye bye.